This video covers how to use the front windshield washer system on a Chevrolet Trax from 2013 to 2017. These models have a manual system controlled by a stalk on the steering column. Maintaining proper function is crucial for visibility and safety. We'll provide a step-by-step guide. The windshield wiper and washer controls are located on a stalk on the left side of the steering column. This multifunction lever controls both wiper speeds and washer fluid activation. The stalk has multiple positions for wiper speed: push up for off, middle position for low speed, and down for high speed. The rotary knob adjusts intermittent timing. At the end of the stalk is a button for the washer fluid. Pull the stalk toward you to activate washers while wipers cycle automatically. Familiarize yourself with the stalk's location and controls before driving to ensure quick access during poor weather conditions. To activate the windshield washers, locate the control stalk on the left side of the steering column. Pull it towards you, past the detent. This activates the washer pump, spraying fluid onto the windshield. The wipers will automatically engage for 2 to 3 cycles. Release the stalk to stop the spray and wipers. The control stalk manages wiper speed. Rotate the stalk to select intermittent, low, or high speed, depending on rain or debris. For intermittent wiping, rotate the stalk to the intermittent position. This provides wipes at adjustable intervals. The intermittent setting can be adjusted via a separate knob on the stalk to control the delay between wipes. For steady low speed, rotate to the middle position for moderate rain. For high speed, rotate fully down for heavy rain or debris. Choose the appropriate speed based on weather conditions for optimal visibility. In winter conditions, use a de-icer washer fluid with anti-freeze properties to prevent the fluid from freezing in the reservoir and nozzles. This ensures the washers work when you need them most. If the washer nozzles become clogged with dirt or debris, carefully use a pin to clear them. This maintains proper spray pattern and prevents uneven cleaning. Eco-friendly washer fluids are recommended and widely available. These biodegradable options reduce environmental impact by minimizing chemical runoff into waterways. The plastic washer fluid reservoir can crack in extreme cold temperatures. Check for cracks regularly and store the vehicle in a warmer area if possible to prevent this common issue. If your wipers aren't working, start by checking the 15A fuse under the dashboard. If the washers aren't spraying, inspect the pump relay, which is a common failure point. Also, ensure the washer fluid reservoir is full to prevent issues. Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your Chevrolet Trax windshield system working properly. Replace wiper blades every 6 to 12 months to avoid damage like cracking or tearing, which reduces visibility and can lead to safety issues. Regularly check and fill the washer fluid reservoir, which holds about 1 gallon and is located under the hood. Neglecting these maintenance tasks can result in reduced visibility, especially in bad weather, increasing safety risks. For enhanced safety, consider retrofitting rain sensors, which are available as aftermarket kits and can automatically activate wipers in response to moisture. While the 2013-2017 Chevrolet Trax features a manual wiper and washer system, newer vehicles have advanced to automatic rain-sensing wipers that activate based on moisture detection. Rain sensors use infrared light and a photodiode to detect moisture on the windshield. In dry conditions, light reflects back to the sensor. When raindrops are present, the light refracts and doesn't reach the sensor, triggering the wipers automatically. Aftermarket kits are available to retrofit rain sensors onto your 2013-2017 Trax. These kits, often using components like Arduino boards and IR sensors, connect to your existing wiper motor for automatic operation, typically costing $150 to $300. Keep an eye on automotive trends toward more autonomous and sustainable wiper systems. Future developments include full integration with advanced driver assistance systems, biodegradable washer fluids, and AI that adjusts wiper settings based on real-time weather data.